It is a fantastic safari destination, and unfortunately it's sometimes overlooked. You don't get tons of visitors to Zambia.
That's part of the allure, that's part of the reason to come, because there's nobody here. The experience you have around viewing your wildlife in your camp, it's about so much more than a kind of singular thing. So how you see what you see is far more important than what you see, because you can see things in many different countries, you can see lions in many different parks, as an example. But how you view those, those charismatic animals makes all the difference. The ability to change it up, to not have to bounce around. So, do something a little bit different.
The experience of what's around you, that's not just animals, it's the guides, getting to meet them and talk with them, and just interacting and learning about them. Every trip has a ripple effect for travelers, for communities, and for the planet. I want everybody to think about where they want to go and then get out there and go.